This morning we are reaching house with the Connective Detective exhibition, and this is the great opportunity for all our students in the workshops to come in, present their own prototypes and just share their opinions on smart cities, to voice their ideas and get inspired.
Connective Detective came from our Academy of the Near Future program. There's a lot of fear around technology in our cities. So if we can educate and inform people about the technology that's being used in the city, maybe they'll be a little less fearful.
Connective Detective has just been fantastic from day one, and the organisation, the personnel that came out, their interaction with the kids was just stellar.
The Connective Detective workshop series is a program around telecommunication and smart cities. All partners are really eager to bring in voices of the children to the smart city discourse.
I really enjoyed the workshop. I think I enjoyed passing the balls around, and it was fun that we also got to learn how data was passed from the sender to the receiver.
We also got to learn about telecommunication, of how the phones evolved from telephones to digital phones and how it evolved over time.
I was blown away by the ideas that they came up with and the way they built their prototypes. I thought that was phenomenal.
Our project was about a drone that would scan to see where homeless people lived so we could move them to shelters.
I loved using the microbit because you could make your own designs and you can code this to say whatever, play music, and it's just really fun.
You know, they're really thinking hard about, issues that affect them on a day-to-day basis, and being innovative. For me, in the city council, that's just inspiring.
It really raised also their awareness about, the environment, what they can do to help.
When you go to put something in the bin and it's just always overflowing, so every time when you put rubbish into the bin, it detects it. So if it overflows or if it's full, they contact the rubbish people and they come to collect it and clean it.
The name of our project is called RDCAM, which stands for Racist Detective Camera.
So we got to use microbits, and it was really fun because you can make signals to send to another microbit.
I think we all tried very hard, and this will help people feel safer.
So the thing that I'm most impressed about is that these kids, they're really addressing the big problems in the world. If these kids continue on this journey, we're in good hands.